Alright boys, I just traded for this Notorious 6S for my Mini Max. We're going to do some minimal upgrades that I have left over here, like a newer ESC and a newer servo. As check it out, I think this is like a V3 or V4. One of y'all leave a comment down below what version it is, but it has the old motor. We're going to run that till it quits, but I don't really like this ESC. I've heard not good things about them. I mean, this ESC is like super clean though. We're going to change that out, and then we're going to change the servo out. Let's get on it. What is up guys? Today I have my Notorious that I just traded my Mini Max for, not the 6S Mini Max, another one. This is my first Notorious and I'm super excited to go try it out here. Real quick, I'm gonna preface this. I'm not gonna get upset if I break this car, as it is used, was heavily used. I mean, the chassis is not too bad, the internals aren't too bad, but I know it's used, so I'm not gonna sit here and bash Arrma like I usually do. I know you guys want me to, but we're just gonna go have some fun with this thing and see if we can get some big jumps, some triple backflips, what we can do with it. So to start off here, the body's in pretty rough shape. Now, if you saw the intro of the video, of course, you know that I did put the orange ESC in here, and then as well as I put a better servo in here that came out of my Creighton 6S. So this thing was running flawlessly. I plugged it in, did a few flips with it at the house, and we're gonna go see how it's gonna perform out here on our big jumps that we got. So let's go rip this baby girl and see what the Notorious is all about of being a stunt truck. Already broke. Oh, it's a little wet out here today. Got a lot of pig damage over here too. Look at all that pig damage. Oh, she's gonna get dirty. She's already dirty. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful, dirty Notorious. I didn't think it was gonna get this dirty already. Can we hit a backflip off of this little dirt jump right here? Yes, we can. She backflips so easy. She's gonna be all rusty now. What do you guys say? About time to hit some jumps? As always, we're gonna start off with this little jump right here. It is super wet, so we'll see how this goes. Okay. Oh, tall grass that killed the 8S Creighton. Oh my God. I think the battery came out, but okay, something's going on where it just doesn't have the torque to backflip like my Creighton. Is it the backflip tires? Oh my God, this is so dirty now. About the dirtiest I've ever made a car. I hope nothing broke on that landing, but we're gonna have to test it out here. This might be riding in the back of the truck on the way home, because ew. So it's wheeling good, but it's not backflipping good. Must be the pinion, as I think this is like a V2 or a V3. During the shots, let me know what version you think this truck is, because I know it's older, but still loving it. And we have no power. We have no power. Did I grenade my motor? It's plugged in, and it's not working. Well boys, after doing some research, I guess my used ESC that I got from my buddy over here just bricked itself right here, right now. It had to, of course, today. So I actually have the one that came in here. It's the old style one. We're gonna go throw it back in and let's get back to bashing. Womp womp. No LEDs, nothing, but everything else works. Arrma dirt. Don't breathe that. We're out here just washing off my Notorious. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna let her sit and dry and rust away, and then we'll put a new ESC in it and get back to bashing. All right, boys, I got the stock BLX system in there. So now we're gonna bring her back out here to where we began the video at. And we're not gonna hit that first jump there because we already did. So we're gonna go down in here and hit some other jumps. And hopefully the stock BLX system isn't gonna grenade itself. I've never driven the BLX system. It feels a little bit different. I did calibrate it to my liking, but still feels less responsive. I'm not really sure about that, but we can start off on this black diamond jump here, and then we can go to that black diamond jump. Let's see if Arrma will actually last out here or not. You know, I've not had good reliability out of them out here, as my Red Cat came out here and showed up Traxxas and Arrma. But let's give this thing a try. Good, it has self-riding though. Well, we slammed into some trees over there. There we go. Nice. So she's definitely not wanting to double and triple backflip. But then I just backflipped right there. She just didn't feel like she had any punch on that one. Let's try off with this black diamond jump here. Oh my God. That was a terrible landing. This BLX system just doesn't feel like it has the punch. I put the punch all the way up, calibrate it, not having a good time trying to rotate it all the way. Like it could barely even do one backflip. Definitely gonna have to upgrade the system in here. Hope the battery just popped out, but it had a front end landing really bad. Yeah, battery just popped out. Alrighty, so far the BLX system is way less impressive than the orange system. Even though the orange system was heavily used and bricked itself at the first attempt of this video, we're still gonna see how this BLX system does out here before we upgrade it. Let's get into it again. Yeah, it just doesn't feel like she's got a lot in her. And I know what the ones do on the black ESCs. Oh God, I thought I hit a tree. Well, here's that monster jump over here, boys. You know we're gonna have to hit that. That jump has killed a lot of the cars. Let's see how this fares. But first, let's go hit the little tree jump. I love my little tree jump. Oh. I had to brake because it just wouldn't flip. No punch. No punch. I made sure my settings were all the way up, as I always do. There we go. Through the trees. Now it's time for the big boy jump. Time for the big jump. I'm gonna have to go stand in the sun though. Dude, I'm already sweating. I don't know if you can see that in my head. It's 100 degrees out here in Texas as always, but nothing stops me from having fun. Landed no problem and then wants to do a backflip. I mean a wheelie. Pretty fun. Pretty fun, boys. I think the diff is going. Or pinion. Dude, we're not even spinning on the rear? Or is it just that loose? I can't tell if the pinion's going or the diff is going because that's some loose right there. You can see him just holding it down. It might just be that loose. I mean, this thing is used, like I told you at the beginning of the video, I'm not gonna bash this thing. Verbally, I'm not gonna bash this thing because I know it was used and I'm not gonna be upset if anything breaks on it because we're just gonna upgrade it with better parts. But I just wanted a starter kit of a Notorious. Seems like the rear's not getting any power. Yeah, seems like the rear's not getting any power, so I'm not sure what that means exactly right now. We'll just have to tear into it. Let's get some few more jumps and see if we can just make this thing quit working. There we go, that was perfect. Perfect jump. This thing probably will still drive back home, honestly. I don't want to speak too soon, as I always do with Arrmas. Uh-oh. Oh, perfect. She's getting a backflip out of this. Gonna do a backflip on the carpet like this. Yes, it can. No problem. Oh, BLX systems still do backflips on the carpet. No problem. Is this Arrma actually gonna last the full video? Ooh, ooh, oh, oh, y'all hear that? You hear and see that? It might just be the body. All right, we're gonna finish this video out on the phone. Thank God for having two cameras, because this 100-degree heat just melts those cameras real fast. Phone already overheated filming two other videos that I just shot at the skate park, and now we're down here. So let's finish off this Notorious video with the iPhone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're stuck turning. I just left this truck alone for 1 second while I was changing my camera. What the heck happened? What did we do? What the heck happened? What the heck happened? Okay. I have steering there. Did it just need a little turn off to turn back on job? I don't get it. What the heck just happened? I put the Spectrum servo I had in here from one of the new Arrmas, like whatever the new EXB ones have, was leaps and bounds better than what came in this thing, but I'm not understanding what just happened right there. Maybe just a little technical glitch like they always do. Okay, just a little glitch. The body is ripping in half right here, so that's cool. But yeah, I mean, she's taking everything so far. I think the clicking noise that we were hearing was coming from the body. I don't know. There we go. Something did end up happening. There we go. Look at this. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Did this side of the diff break? I bet it did. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did it just do a little pop-out job? Hold on, boys. I think it just did a little pop-out job. Oh, it just did a little pop-out job. Okay, Arrma, we'll give it to you, Notorious, today. All right, I didn't bring the tools to fix this today. So I hope you guys enjoyed my introduction video to the Notorious. Thank y'all so much for sticking around. I really like this truck so far. I mean, getting it used, trading a little 3S Mini Max that I had for it, I'm pretty happy for this. So I'm probably gonna have some big plans with this car. I really appreciate you guys for coming by today and checking out this video. See you in the next one.